International, established in 1999. We have transformed ourselves from a small company to a corporate entity today. Providing quality sealing solution for industries, we are specialized in oil seal of various application and industries. Our associate network. Some profile of many that are available in CHR range. We are authorized reseller and distributor for cassette sealing. SECO range of product floating seal group, hydraulic cylinder seal kit, bushing, and tooth points. SECO Duocone floating seal offers lower pricing point, heavy duty and wide range of applications. Primary applications, conveyors and construction equipments, agricultural machinery, off-road and tracked vehicles and mining equipments. SECO hydraulic cylinder seal kits robust, at par with OEM quality, available for excavators, bulldozers, dump trucks, wheel loaders, motor graders of all major brands and other hydraulic industrial cylinders. SECO bushing, forging tooth point and locks, made of high carbon steel, corrosion and wear resistant, have dimensional accuracy and durability. Perfect O-rings are produced from 14 polymer families including silicones, fluoroelastomers, and acrylates, providing physical, mechanical and chemical properties for virtually any application. Thank you from entire International team.